right, so here we have a wet belt sander that's only been here for about a month, a little over a month. Super cool machine. This is for grinding and polishing agates, rocks, cabs. Lots of uses for this, but it's really great to polish agates. And you'll notice on the side here, it comes with a really nice polishing wheel. And this wheel, you just want to coat with cerium oxide and then run it. So I already have some cerium oxide on it. Cerium oxide can be purchased in a lot of places. I do recommend the A-grade cerium oxide from Highland Park Lapidary. And we will cover how to make cerium oxide in another video. But moving on to some of the other parts of this. Now, when I am not using it, I do take the belt off so that it doesn't deform anything. So yes, I have taken the belt off. However, if you're using it regularly, I don't think that's necessary. The parts that you need to really understand on the wet belt sander is this knob here, which is the front knob, and then there is another knob that goes straight up in the back. This knob is to adjust the belt tension. So once the belt is on, if you want to make it tighter on this and this down here on the drum and the, I don't know what this terminology is called, but if you want it to be tighter, you would use this front knob here. So you would turn it left or right to loosen or tighten it. Now this knob here, this one in the back that sticks straight up, there's only two, there's one here and there's one here. This is the knob that straightens out this shaft. So if this is not straight, like this whole piece, your belt's gonna ride to the right or to the left when it starts rotating. Okay, so you have to turn this to the right or to the left based on which way your belt is riding off. Now, I understand that if your belt is riding to the right, you move the knob to the right. And if your belt is riding to the left, you move the knob to the left. And that will straighten it out so that it's not riding off while it's being used. The other thing is on the very top of the hood, you do have, this nozzle that goes in here, and this is your water feed. You have to introduce water to this, otherwise you're dry sanding, and we highly recommend that you add some water. So this 6mm hose comes with the machine. This comes with the machine, and you screw it in to the hood. Now, I went ahead and purchased, and this is empty right now, a small submersible water pump, and this one I got at Kingsley North. No affiliation. I was just looking for a cheap water pump. And this one I just sit right on the bottom of this and I fill it with water, and it very easily pumps the water up to the top here so that I'm getting water while I'm sanding. The other thing is make sure, this is your drain for your, dirty water. Make sure you have a hose, on the back of here, and that it's running down to some sort of 5-gallon bucket or water collector so that the water can be draining out as you're using it. So those are the most important things to understand about the wet belt sander. This is for the belt tension. This is to straighten the shaft out. And of course you have your on and off here. If you have any questions, please let us know. We are learning as we go and trying to share all the tips we can so that your journey in lapidary and using these types of equipment is as easy as possible. Thanks for watching and have a great day.